Hey guys, Technical Guruji here. Today we are diving into India's anti-tank missile, the MPATGM. A strong defense system is crucial, and the MPATGM is a game changer. Developed in India, it's like our version of the Javelin. Designed for our unique terrains, it performs in deserts and mountains. It's a fire and forget system, so soldiers can take cover immediately. The missile does the rest of the work. Now that's smart technology. Now, you might be wondering, where did this awesome piece of tech come from? Well, the MPATGM is the brainchild of India's very own Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO as we know it. These guys are like the rock stars of Indian defense research, always pushing the boundaries and making India self-reliant in defense technology. The development of the MPATGM started way back in the 2000s with the goal of creating a truly world-class anti-tank missile system. And let me tell you, they didn't cut any corners. Years of research, development and rigorous testing went into perfecting this weapon. And the best part is that the MPATGM is a testament to India's commitment to make in India. Almost all of its components, from the seeker to the warhead, are designed and manufactured right here in India. This not only boosts our defense industry, but also reduces our dependence on foreign suppliers. Talk about a win-win. Okay guys, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the tech specs. The MPATGM boasts a fire and forget capability thanks to its sophisticated infrared seeker. It packs a tandem, high-explosive anti-tank, or HEAT, warhead. The first charge blasts through any protective armor, and the second charge obliterates the target. It can hit targets up to 2.5 kilometers away. Despite its power, the MPATGM is lightweight and portable. Now, here's where the MPATGM gets really interesting. It has two attack modes, top attack and direct attack. In top attack mode, the missile flies in an arc, diving down onto the target from above. This is perfect for taking out enemy tanks as their armor is usually weakest on top. Think of it like attacking from the roof, where the defenses are generally weaker. Then, there's the direct attack mode. As the name suggests, the missile directly engages the target head-on. This mode is super effective against bunkers, fortifications, and even low-flying helicopters. It's like choosing between a precision strike from above or a powerful head-on collision, depending on the situation. Talk about versatility. This dual-mode capability makes the MPATGM a true all-rounder in the battlefield, capable of taking on a variety of targets with deadly precision. The arrival of the MPATGM significantly boosts India's anti-tank warfare capabilities. You see, modern battlefields are getting increasingly complex. Enemy tanks are now equipped with advanced armor like explosive reactive armor, or ERA, which is designed to prematurely detonate incoming projectiles. But the MPATGM laughs in the face of ERA. Its tandem warhead is specially designed to defeat even the toughest of armors, making it a nightmare for any tank crew facing it. This provides a huge tactical advantage to our soldiers, allowing them to neutralize threats from a safe distance with pinpoint accuracy. What's more, the MPATGM's portability makes it a perfect weapon for both conventional warfare and urban combat scenarios. Whether it's open battlefields or the narrow streets of a city, this missile can be deployed quickly and effectively, giving our troops a crucial edge in any engagement. To wrap it up guys, the MPATGM is more than just a missile. It's a symbol of India's growing technological prowess in the defense sector. It shows the world that we are not just consumers of defense technology, but capable innovators in our own right. With its cutting-edge features, indigenous development, and impressive battlefield capabilities, the MPATGM is set to become a mainstay of the Indian Army for years to come. This missile is a true force to be reckoned with, ensuring that our soldiers have the best tools to defend our nation. So, there you have it guys. That's the MPATGM, India's very own tank-busting marvel. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. Until next time, this is Technical Guruji signing off.